You are going to love the 2025 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.